this is Shannon with the County Library Holiday Branch. Today we're going to be doing binary bracelets thanks to the peeps at Girls Who Code. You can find the instructions on their website at girlswhocode.com/code-at-home. Quick explanation on what binary code is. Binary code is the ways computers represent information using only two numbers, 0 and 1. Different combinations of zeros and ones can represent letters, numbers, pictures, and even sound. Today we are going to be focusing on binary code for capital letters to make our bracelets. So you're going to choose two colors. I chose blue to equal 0 and purple to equal 1. So the binary code for the capital letter S is 01010011. These beads in the middle, these off-white beads, are just spacer beads to separate the letters. And always remember to put one at the beginning of your bracelet, so when you wrap it around, it separates the beginning letter from the last letter. Hope you guys enjoyed this activity. Remember, you can go to girlswhocode.com/code-at-home for some more cool activities.